Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to once again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope guys you're all good, you're all fine. So guys, today video I am introducing most different, trending and stylish, beautifully attractive ideas. Hope you enjoy my video. In this video I am sharing with you different stylish, beautifully Easter table centerpieces ideas. Hope you enjoy my videos. I hope viewers you like my video. Different beautifully stylish, cute Easter centerpieces design guys in this video. So viewers watching this video at the last, Easter is a season that gently invites lights, hope and new beginnings into our homes, and the Easter table centerpieces becomes the quiet heart of the celebration. It is more than just decoration placed in the middle of a table. It is a symbol of warmth, togetherness, and when people gather around an Easter table, they are not only sharing food but also sharing moments, stories, and gratitude. And the centerpieces silently sets the mood for all. And Easter centerpieces often begin with simple elements inspired by nature: soft pastel colors, fresh and first flowers, delicate greenery, and gentle texture that reflect the freshness of spring. As you arrange these elements, you can feel the season itself coming alive. Flowers like and default wooden and simply basket Easter egg represent new life and endless possibilities. When placed carefully within a centerpiece, they bring both tradition and beauty to the table. Bunny figure, another beloved Easter detail, add a touch of innocence and joy. They are especially loved by children, but they also awaken a sense of centerpieces reminder them of simple timer. Candles are often included to bring warmth and calm. A softly glowing candle placed among flowers and eggs creates a peaceful atmosphere, especially during evening gather. The gentle flicker of light reflects off pastel surfaces and glass jars, making the entire table feel cozy and welcoming. One of the most beautiful things about Easter centerpieces is that they do not So guys, hope you enjoy my video. I hope you enjoy my video. Handmade centerpiece carry a personality that cannot be replaced. When you create something with your own hands, even it is imperfect, it carries intention and love. Easter centerpieces also offer a chance to recycle and reuse materials. All jars, unused bowl, fabric, scrap, and natural elements from the garden can all be transformed into something meaningful. Thank you so much guys for watching this video at the last.